What's up, my fellow programmers? Let's learn a bit about Bun. Okay, so what is Bun? Bun is the fast, all-in-one JavaScript runtime. But wait, what is a JavaScript runtime? A JavaScript runtime refers to where your JavaScript code is executed when you run it. It does what Node be doing, but way faster. It was built from scratch using Zig, a low-level programming language with manual memory management. Most of Bun.js is written from scratch, including the JSX, TypeScript transpiler, NPM client, bundler, SQLite client, HTTP client, WebSocket client, and more. You still get to use all of your favorite NPM packages with it. But why is Bun blazingly fast? An enormous amount of time was spent profiling, benchmarking, and optimizing things. The answer is different for every part of Bun, but one general theme is Zig's low-level control over memory and lack of hidden control flow, which makes it much simpler to write fast software. Now, let's see Bun in action. So to get started, you just have to run this script. It is supported on all the major operating systems, which includes macOS, Windows, and Linux. Now that we have Bun installed, we get a bunch of commands that we can use. The first command, if you want to create any new projects, you can use the bun create command. Then it will ask you on what kind of template would you like to create. It will give you three options: create a React app, create a Next.js app, or have a blank document. You can choose whatever you like. And if we want to install any npm packages, we can do so by using the bun add command. And one more thing, we don't have to install the .env packages in our projects now, as bun handles it automatically. To run our projects, we can use bun run. So this has been our first look on Bun. When you start using it, let me know in the comments below. This has been Rihanna Bit. See you on the next video.